To ease to fit the gusset to the head front, you're going to start by aligning the top edge and pinning. You'll have an easier time pinning if you insert the pin on the same side of fabric each time. Next, pin at the notch. This part you're going to have to ease to fit. That means stretch the fabric before you place your pin. I try to find the middle mark in between the two pins. It's more important that the fabric meets together 1/4 of an inch into the fabric, that is the stitching line. The outer edges will be a little bit larger than the actual stitching line. So I repeat again, finding a place halfway in between two pins, pinching the fabric tightly, and insert the pin. Next, find the other edge and line up the fabrics. If you're lining up two applique pieces, make sure the applique lines meet 1/4 of an inch in, so that when you sew them, they will be aligned perfectly. The outer edge does not matter as much as that mark 1/4 of an inch in.